Why Spain is a top destination for expats in 2025. Spain remains one of the most attractive and welcoming countries for expats in the world, and in 2025 this trend is not only continuing but growing stronger as more people discover what makes Spain truly special. This is not just about the weather or the food, it is about the complete lifestyle, the opportunities, the affordability, and the balance it offers to people who are looking to start a new chapter of their lives. Let us start with the lifestyle. Spain is known for its laid-back rhythm of life that emphasizes health, happiness, and human connection. You will find that people here enjoy long meals with family and friends, spend evenings walking along the beach or city streets, and take pride in living life fully rather than rushing through it. This slow and meaningful lifestyle is one of the biggest reasons people choose to move here, whether they are remote workers, families, or retirees. Mediterranean climate is another incredible advantage. Spain offers over 300 days of sunshine per year in many regions, which means you can enjoy outdoor living almost all year round. This is not only good for your physical health, but also for your mental well-being. Whether you are hiking in the mountains, sunbathing by the sea, or simply enjoying your coffee at an outdoor cafe, the weather contributes to a higher quality of life. Healthcare in Spain is one of the best in Europe. The public healthcare system is accessible and well-funded, and there are also plenty of private healthcare options for those who prefer a more personalized experience. For expats, this means peace of mind knowing that you and your family will be taken care of by professional and well-trained medical staff without worrying about extremely high costs. Spain is also a family-friendly country. If you are moving with children, you will find that education is a top priority. There are numerous international schools across the country that follow American, British, or bilingual curriculums alongside traditional Spanish schools that offer strong academic foundations as well as cultural immersion. Children are welcomed and celebrated in public spaces, and most communities are safe and inclusive. One of the most exciting reasons to choose Spain in 2025 is its wide variety of visa options. The country has created several pathways for different types of people who want to live and work in Spain, even if they do not have a job lined up beforehand. The digital Nomad visa is perfect for freelancers, remote workers, and business owners who want to live in Spain while earning income from abroad. This visa gives you access to the healthcare system, legal residency, and even allows you to bring your family along. There are also visas for retirees, investors, entrepreneurs, and skilled professionals looking to build a future in Spain without the immediate pressure of finding employment before arrival. These visa programs have made Spain one of the easiest and most flexible countries for relocation within the European Union. Cost of living in Spain is another big factor. Spain is significantly more affordable than many other Western European countries. The cost of rent, groceries, transportation, and entertainment is lower, which means your money stretches further whether you are living on savings, a pension, or running an online business. This allows for a much better quality of life without having to sacrifice comfort. Spain is also a country of rich cultural heritage and deep traditions. Every region has its own unique customs, festivals, and cuisine, from the flamenco of Andalusia to the architecture of Catalonia to the historic cities of Castile. You can spend years exploring and still feel like there is more to discover. The Spanish people are warm and friendly, and although learning the language is important, many locals are welcoming and patient with foreigners who are trying to adapt and integrate. For young professionals and business-minded individuals, Spain is becoming increasingly attractive due to its growing focus on innovation and entrepreneurship. The government is investing in technology hubs, renewable energy, education, and tourism. If you are involved in any of these sectors, you may find plenty of opportunities to grow and collaborate with both locals and other international residents. There are also government programs that support startup businesses and new investors. Another major benefit is how easy it is to travel from Spain. Once you are based in Spain, you can take advantage of affordable and efficient travel connections across Europe, Africa, and even parts of Asia. The country has well-developed train systems, modern airports, and easy access to international destinations. This is especially useful for business people, digital nomads, and curious travelers who want to explore other countries while maintaining Spain as their home. But they will also find strong expat communities in Spain. From the coastal towns to the big cities, you can connect with others who have made the move and find support groups, meetups, and social circles that help make the transition easier. It can be very comforting To share experiences with people who understand what it is like to live abroad, and you will quickly feel that you are not alone in your journey. Safety is another reason Spain remains a top destination. Crime rates are relatively low in most areas, and public spaces are generally secure for children, the elderly, and solo travelers. The country also takes pride in offering strong legal rights for all residents, including foreigners, which helps create an environment of fairness and stability. In summary, if you are searching for a country that offers better weather, a healthier lifestyle, affordable living, strong healthcare, great education, visa flexibility, rich culture, business opportunities, and international connectivity, then Spain should be at the top of your list. Whether you are looking for peace, relaxation, growth, or adventure, Spain provides a lifestyle that many other countries simply cannot match. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.